Got a minute? Let's learn how Cisco's technology can be critical in times of disaster. When a natural disaster strikes, it's essential to reestablish secure and reliable communications. Cisco's Network Emergency Response Vehicle is a mobile communications center operated by Cisco's Crisis Response Team. The NERV uses automated and secured cloud-enabled communications, including options for internet connectivity and alternate power systems, making the NERVs ready for any situation. CCR is a dedicated full-time team supported by volunteers with a wide range of skills and expertise. Every disaster requires a customized approach, and recently the team was put to the test in Los Angeles. CCR deployed a 4-person team to assist a California interagency incident management team at the Eaton Fire Incident Command Post. CCR provided secure networking equipment to support their operations. They also supported multiple state agencies and organizations providing services to wildfire survivors at the Disaster Recovery Center in Pasadena. Ready to learn more? Head to newsroom.cisco.com.